66 million years ago, an asteroid the size of Mount Everest collided with Earth, initiating a devastating extinction event. The asteroid traveled at speeds between 10 and 30 kilometers per second, reaching temperatures comparable to the surface of the Sun upon entry. The impact occurred off the coast of present-day Mexico. It ejected debris into the atmosphere, causing scorching hot rock and glass to rain down. It triggered massive wildfires and a mega tsunami 30,000 times more powerful than modern records, reshaping coastlines globally. Debris blocked sunlight for months or even years, creating a nuclear winter. Photosynthesis ceased, food chains collapsed, and acid rain further devastated marine and land ecosystems. This event led to the extinction of 75% of Earth's life, including the dinosaurs. Earth did not revert to its previous state, but instead reinvented itself. After 1,000 years, the climate began to recover. By 100,000 years, life, including raccoon-sized creatures, repopulated the continents. Approximately 10 million years later, biodiversity was restored, marking the beginning of the age of mammals, featuring new species like giant Paraceratherium and megalodons. While the planet faced near total destruction, it recovered over millions of years.